Everyone, welcome back to my channel where I help you to level up your YouTube games fast and easy. Today I'll be talking about something that will make or break your video success: thumbnail. You know, that tiny image that convinces people to click on your videos, and you are just starting and you are wondering how to create an amazing thumbnails. I got a solution for you: AI thumbnail generator. Thumbnail are super important. Do you know that 90% of top performing videos uses custom thumbnails? But don't worry, you don't need to be a professional designer to create an eye-catching thumbnails. In this video, I'm going to show you AI tools that will help you to create a stunning thumbnails quickly without any design skill. So what is AI thumbnail generator? It is basically a tool that uses artificial intelligence to design a thumbnail for you. AI automatically suggests a layout, font, colors, even image. All you have to do is to input some details and your thumbnails are ready to go. It is perfect for beginners because AI does the hard work and you focus on creating a content. So let me show you some of the AI thumbnail generators for beginner. These tools are friendly, affordable, or even free. Number one is Canva AI. Canva is super popular for creating graphics, but do you know that Canva has AI features? The AI features help you to choose color, fonts, layouts, and so many other things for your thumbnails. All you have to do is to drop and drag, and it's also free. So next up is Slido. I don't know whether I pronounced it right, but I'll drop the spelling on the screen. It is similar to Canva with its own twist. You can use their AI to generate your thumbnails very quickly and fast. The best part of it is that it is beginners friendly and it is packed with a lot of features that you can use. This tool offers AI suggestions that you can use on your thumbnails. It helps you to pick a best design element for your thumbnails, anything that you want. It is very fast and easy, and you can also customize everything later if you want. Alright, let me show you how easy it is to use these tools, and I'll be using Canva AI for the tutorial.
First, log into your Canva and search for YouTube thumbnails. You will find lots of templates to choose from, but we'll be using a blank canvas. Now, here is where the AI magic happens. Go to Magic Media, type in a description of what you want, like a YouTube logo on a laptop with a bright modern setting, and let AI Canva generate an image for you. So hold on for some seconds and an image will be generated for you. So once the image is ready, you can click generate again and again if you don't like the image, or until you find the one that you like and suitable for your video. So after that, drag and drop it onto your canvas. Write and adjust anything you don't like. Okay, you can change the colors to your taste, like you can adjust anything to your taste. We have magic pen that you can write the text that you want, like that is a pro version. Just click on adjust to adjust the whole image or the background. Like anything you want to do, you can do it. Go to the Magic Studio, see all the design they have. Just do anything and just play around with it and you are good to go.
Alright, now with this AI thumbnail generator, you can create a professional looking thumbnail in a minute. It's a game changer for beginners and it will save you a lot of time. Now that you know how to generate a thumbnail with AI thumbnail generator, let me know in the comment section which tool best worked for you. And don't forget to like, subscribe for more YouTube tips. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.